Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an updated hair beachy wave routine. This is kind of my signature look. It's what I do when I style my hair when I'm not being super lazy. I'm doing things a little bit differently than I did before. I'm using a smaller curling iron, a few different products, so I thought I would share that with you guys. The curls are a little bit smaller, but still quite beachy. Okay, let's get started. So I started by prepping my hair with this Big Sexy Hair Root Pump Plus. You can just get this on Amazon. And I put that kind of like along my roots. And then I also use this Bumble and Bumble Texture Hair Undressing Cream, and it just kind of gives my hair grit so that it's not quite so like silky, because it just doesn't hold a style very well. And then I use this Navy Hair Care Style Navigator. This is a prep and finishing spray, but I'm going to use it at the beginning because it offers heat and UV protection. I'm just going to blow dry my hair with my trusty Dyson. So I'm going to go in and straighten the ends. I usually get my hot tools at Winners in Canada. I find they have really good quality curling irons and straighteners for really good prices. So I'm just going to I'm just going to straighten the bottom. And I just like to do my little cowlick right here and straighten it out because it's a cowlick and it's annoying. Then I'm going to go in with my 3/4 inch curling iron. I like a smaller one and I like the barrel iron, and I'm doing this a little bit differently than I did before, just for a bit more of like a textural wave. Pin my hair up, just like about half of it. I'm going to take small 1-inch sections and just curl down. Hold it for like 20 seconds. And then you can kind of pull it. And then the next section, I like to turn it the other way. So this curl is going away from my face. So I'm gonna go towards my face with this one. Just makes it a bit less kind of uniform and makes the curls look a little bit more beachy. I look like Betsy Johnson. Let me just move this out of the way so I don't laugh at myself the whole time. Make sure you're alternating the curls and leaving the end out, like about the end inch out, just so you keep that kind of beachy feel. One of the things that's kind of annoying about our apartment is that there's no mirrors that I can see the back of my hair in. So I kind of just like have to hope that it looks pretty good, and if Andrew's around I'll make him check and do like a bald spot check, because I have I think what's called a double crown, and so like the back kind of part right here is like flatter. I don't have less hair, but like I don't actually have a bald spot, but sometimes it just like lies really flat. So I have to check if it looks like I have a bald spot. It's so annoying. This is marriage, right? So always curl the front section away from your face. Just frames your face really nicely. And these curls will fall out quite a bit for me, which is why I'm doing them fairly tight. Okay, I'm done. I'm just gonna let these curls cool, and I'm gonna spray them with this L'Oreal Elnet hairspray. And then you just need to basically like brush it out. You can flip your head over. And that's it. It's just a bit more like textured, kind of. And then if there's any kind of like kinky things anywhere that you want to get rid of, you can just go over it with the straightener. Or if any of them are too kind of curly. This is quite curly, but it'll fall out for me into, ow, into like a nice kind of wave. So then I'm going to go in with this Bumble and Bumble Sumo Tech. It's kind of like a pomade. I don't even really know exactly what it is. And warm it up in my hands and then just put it through kind of like the bottom half. I'll usually put it behind my ears like this just so that it relaxes a little bit while I do my makeup. All right, here is the finished look. It's kind of gone down a little bit and it will over the evening, but I guess I'm doing a bit more of a curlier look anyway. So this is my updated hair routine. I hope that was helpful. I got a ton of questions about how I do my hair, so hopefully this will answer some of them for you guys. One last thing, sometimes I will use this IGK Beach Club spray just to give my hair a little bit of oomph and kind of beachiness. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.